states of matter. Imagine the Rocky Mountains, a lake with pure water, and floating clouds above. This illustrates three states of matter. Mountains are solid, water in the lake is liquid, and the clouds are gas. Solid things have volume and shape. Although most solids are hard, some can change their shape, such as rubber. Liquids have a fixed volume, although the shape is uncertain. Gases don't have volume or shape, and most of them are invisible. Substances behave differently in different states. Gas. Gas molecules move fast and freely. That's why it fills the space immediately. Gas doesn't have volume or shape. It takes the shape of the container it's in. For example, helium, the light gas, fills the balloon. The distance between the molecules changes, so any body can easily pass through gas. Liquid. When we pour water into the glass, it takes the shape of the glass. If you spill water on the table, it spreads on the surface of the table. When we pour liquid from one container to the other one, the shape changes, but not the volume. Solids. Solids have determined shape. You can change it only with effort, because the molecules in solids are firmly connected to each other. Plasma. Plasma is the fourth state of matter, which is quite rare. It exists only in the high temperatures inside the sun and other stars. There is some plasma on Earth in the places with low pressure. Plasma consists of atoms, split by electricity and high temperatures. In this ball, the central electrode is surrounded by plasma. If you touch the surface of the ball, a discharge will occur. Use in life. Solids, liquids, and gases are widely used in our everyday life. A bicycle, for example, moves because of the coordinated work of substances in the three states of matter. Its parts, including the tires, are made of solid substances. Elastic tires, changing their shape, put out the bumps on the rough road. Tires are filled with air, which is gas, and the driving chain is oiled with an oil, which is a liquid. The use of solid substances. Bike frame and wheels should be light as well as durable. That's why they are made of metal. All the main parts of the bike are fastened to the bike frame as to the skeleton, and the road shape of the wheel is supported by rim and spokes of the bike made of steel. The use of liquids. All the liquids can flow, but some of them flow easily and fast, while the others flow much slower. The fluidity of liquids is characterized by viscosity. The water flows easily, its viscosity is low. The oil has a much lower fluidity, so its viscosity is high. Oil with high viscosity is used to lubricate rubbing details of the mechanism. It reduces wear. This kind of oil is called lubricating oil. The use of gases. Gases, unlike solids, don't have volume. Because gas particles are far away from each other and they move freely, gas can be compressed to be reduced in volume. When the wheel on your bicycle goes up on the rock, The air in tires compresses and dampens the shock. Hydraulic brake. The construction of the foot brake of the car is based on the incompressibility of liquids. If pressure is applied to a liquid, it will spread the pressure evenly. When the driver pushes the brake pedal, the effort is passed to the liquid in the brake cylinders through the piston to the brake pads, which stops the wheel from moving.